Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I've got my stitch marker advent. We have 2 days left, so let's check out today. Today is day 13. So, let me get it. Alright, so here is day 13. Alright, let's check this out. I'm excited. Let's see what 13 brings. This is done by Ellie Leva. So, here we go. Oh, stop moving. Stop moving. Yeah, that really helped, didn't it? Oh, it says chocolate. There it is. That's adorable. Alright, and as usual, I will show you all the other ones I've received. Let me put this one on here, on the clip. Okay, hang on. There we go. So, here are the first 3. And this second 4. That one does say be mine. It doesn't always want to flip. There it is. I can't get it to flip. There it is. It says be mine. And the next set are right here. They're very pretty. This one has an arrow on it. And then this 3 right here. This one's really pretty with all the jewels on it. So there they all are. And we've got one more day. Alright, one more day and we are at the end of the advent. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.